Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah. Brothers and sisters, it's a beautiful Wednesday morning, and I'm doing what I think many other people are doing at this hour of the morning. They're looking for a petrol station to fill up their car with petrol. Subhanallah. And it made me think that, you assume yourself to be so busy that there isn't any other possible activity that you could cram into your day up until a crisis of some sort befalls you or the community, and then you realize, I did have time and my schedule will accommodate for it. Those pockets of time, all of a sudden they reappear. So it seems that we're only as busy as we think we are. And here I remember a profound hadith of the Prophet ﷺ, who said, the hadith of Abu Hurairah, بَادِرُوا بِالْأَعْمَالِ سَبْعًا. Rush and do as many good deeds as you can quickly before one of 7 things catches up with you. And then he lists them. He says, هَلْ تَنْتَظِرُونَ إِلَّا فَقْرًا مُنْسِيًا. Are you waiting for poverty to come to you that will make you unmindful? أو غنى مطغيا. Or are you waiting for affluence, money, that will cause you to transgress? أو مرضا مفسدا. Or are you waiting for an illness that will ruin your good health? أو هرما مفندا. Or are you waiting for senility that will weaken you? أو موتا مجهزا. Or are you waiting for death that will catch you by surprise? أو الدجال فشر غائب ينتظر. Or are you waiting for the Antichrist, which is the worst of all awaited matters? أو الساعة والساعة أدهى وأمر. Or are you waiting for the hour, the day of judgment, which is the greatest of all calamities and the most bitter of them all? So, how busy are we? In other words, the hadith is saying to you, life is going to keep throwing curveballs at you. It's going to steal away from your thought, your clarity of mind, your time, your availability, your schedule. It will take them. So the conclusion is, when you are freer than a normal circumstance, worship Allah as much as you can, recite Qur'an as much as you can, remember Him as much as you can, become a student of knowledge, shed away those sins, plan for your future, set a vision for your life, join the circles of goodness. Do it now before life throws at you a distraction that will make you busier than you were yesterday. Because if you're going to wait for those ideal circumstances to come, as we see from the life today and circumstance of the present, you're going to be waiting for a very long time. It's a fuel crisis today. What tomorrow? A crisis of water, a water crisis, a food shortage. Then what? So if you live your life just thinking about how to dodge the curveballs of today and how to plan for the ones life will throw at you tomorrow, you're never going to get anything done. The ideal circumstance will not come through the letterbox in the morning. You and I have to engineer the ideal circumstances to worship Allah and to become the best version of ourselves in light of what we have today, before a circumstance hits us again tomorrow and we think about today and we say, you know what? I wasn't really that busy. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to facilitate for us what is best and to forgive us and make us the most active Muslims that there are on planet Earth. Walhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.